Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French. Avec moi, je suis Séverine, votre professeure de français. Hi and welcome to Speak French. Avec moi, I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Today, are you up for the comprehension challenge? We're going to listen to 10 questions in French. Well, we will have two French speakers asking a set of questions and we'll listen twice. Can you guess right? Well, before starting, I would strongly advise to review the past 3 episodes and questions. And it's okay if you don't have time or if you feel very confident, go ahead and listen to this episode. You can pause, you can take notes, you can grab a pen, and of course, I will at the end tell you all the answers so you can track your progress. You can also go on speakfrenchavecmoi.com to follow the transcript. And as I said before, I do have a Facebook page where you find more content. Are you ready for the 10 questions in French? Now, as a hint, all the questions are mostly around asking where, how, and questions about traveling. So first, we're going to listen to Julien. And one last thing, if you have not done so, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. All right, let's listen to Julien.
Quelles sont vos conditions d'annulation, s'il vous plaît? Comment vous vous sentez aujourd'hui? Comment faire pour changer ma réservation? Vous habitez où? T'es où? Quelles sont vos conditions d'annulation, s'il vous plaît? Comment vous vous sentez aujourd'hui? Comment faire pour changer ma réservation? Vous habitez où? T'es où?
How was it? Were you able to understand Julien? Julien is actually using real speed French. It means that he's not speaking too fast and he's not speaking too slow. All right, so now we're going to listen to Sophie and then I will give you all the answers. But before that, I'm going to take a short break. Are you ready to speak French? Maintenant, on va écouter Sophie. Now we're going to listen to Sophie. Sophie, we have a set of 4 questions and we're going to listen twice.
Comment on fait pour aller au musée? Où est-ce que c'est? Comment c'était le restaurant? D'où est-ce que tu viens? T'habites où? Comment on fait pour aller au musée? Où est-ce que c'est? Comment c'était le restaurant? D'où est-ce que tu viens? T'habites où?
Alors, did you guess right? Est-ce que vous avez deviné? Sophie spoke a little slower. I'm going to give you the answers. Quelles sont vos conditions d'annulation, s'il vous plaît? What is your cancellation policy, please? Comment vous vous sentez aujourd'hui? How are you feeling today? Comment faire pour changer ma réservation? How do I change my reservation? Vous habitez où? Where do you live? That's spoken French. T'es où? Where are you? That's casual spoken French. Hope you got all of them. Now, the 4 from Sophie. Comment on fait pour aller au musée? How to do to go to the museum? Où est-ce que c'est? Where is it? Comment c'était le restaurant? How was the restaurant? D'où est-ce que tu viens? Where are you from? That's casual. T'habites où? Where do you live? That's spoken casual French. Voilà, c'est la fin de l'épisode. I do hope that you guessed all the questions right. If you did not, you have to feel bad. This is new and I made sure that you hear different voices and different speed so you will know how to master the questions. Well, merci d'écouter le podcast. Thank you for listening to the podcast. And if the podcast is helpful, make sure to leave a comment or a rating to help other listeners to find out about Speak French avec moi. Voilà, et aujourd'hui, I'm just sure that nobody told you how awesome you are. Merci, au revoir, à bientôt.